Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. So, we're off to another one of our fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving kind of theme drawings. And we're going to be doing a pumpkin today. So, a nice round full pumpkin, like the one you always look for when you're at the store and you never quite can find it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create an arch a little bit above the middle of the paper. And then we're going to come down and curve at the bottom and then curve in almost like I was going to create an oval, but not quite. I'm going to take the other side. I'm going to curve down like I'm going to create an oval. Now I'm going to take from this, well, not the center. Here's the center. I'm going to go slightly off center and I'm going to come over, arch, and then I'm going to touch a little bit above the bottom. Do the same thing over here. So I'm a little off center. I'm arching over, and I'm going to touch a little bit above the bottom. Then I am going to create from that center a bump. It's a little bit more shallow, and that's coming along to touch close to the top. A bump starting from the center, coming along to touch a little further along. And then I'm going to make one last bump. It's nice and wide in the back. Okay, so right now I have all of those parts of the pumpkin. I am going to come down here and connect these two with a more smooth line because pumpkins don't have serious, intense points. Now I need to create my stem. So I'm going to come and make a wide piece that's almost triangle-like. I'm going to come and curve it. Oh, like a witch's hat. And curve it. All right. Then I'm going to let that twist around. And I'm going to create some leaves. So I think I'm going to do big leaves for this one. 1, 2, 3. All right. And you can put more leaves or more vines on there. I'm going to stick with that though. All right. And as usual, I am going to get those couple places where it will overlap so that I don't accidentally Sharpie them. Okay. I am going to start with my leaf first. Then I'm going to come and Sharpie my stem. I'm going to give that stem a little bit of texture. Now I'm going to get the rest of my pumpkin. So in order to make it smooth, I'm going to come start the beginning of that curve. Okay. Now for my second round of pumpkin segments as I continue. Now I do want to keep in mind that I am not sharpieing through the leaf, I'm sharpieing around it. My third pumpkin segment on each. And that last bump in the back. All right. And you guys have a pumpkin. If you are shading it, keep in mind that the roundest points would be where your light areas are. But regardless of what you're thinking, add some color to it and make it festive. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.